Deep in the dry soils of India, Africa, and the Middle East grows a small shrub with a big reputation. It's called ashwagandha. For over 3,000 years, it has been a cornerstone of Ayurvedic medicine. Today, science is finally catching up to what ancient healers already knew. In this video, we're breaking down what ashwagandha actually is, which parts of the plant are used, its real benefits, and why this humble herb deserves a place in modern wellness. Let's dive in. What is ashwagandha? Ashwagandha's scientific name is Withania somnifera. In Sanskrit, ashwagandha roughly translates to smell of horse. This name comes from two things. First, the root has a strong, earthy, horse-like odor. Second, tradition claims it gives the strength and vitality of a horse to those who take it. It's also known as Indian ginseng, though it isn't related to true ginseng at all. It belongs to the nightshade family, the same family as tomatoes and peppers. This plant thrives in dry regions with well-drained soil. It's a hardy survivor, and that resilience may be part of why it's linked to resilience in the human body, too. Not every part of the ashwagandha plant is used equally. The root is the most valuable and widely used part. It's dried and ground into a fine powder or processed into extracts and capsules. The root contains the highest concentration of withanolides, the active compounds responsible for most of its effects. The leaves are also used, though less commonly. They contain different compound ratios and are sometimes used in topical applications or traditional remedies. The berries and seeds have historical uses too. In some regions, the berries were used as a substitute for rennet in cheese making. But when you see ashwagandha powder or capsules on the shelf today, it's almost always the root that's inside. Benefit 1. Stress and anxiety. Let's talk about what ashwagandha is most famous for. Stress relief. Ashwagandha is classified as an adaptogen. Adaptogens are natural substances believed to help the body adapt to physical and mental stress. Several clinical studies have found that ashwagandha may help lower cortisol, the body's main stress hormone. Participants in these studies often report feeling calmer and less anxious after consistent use. This is one of the primary reasons people reach for ashwagandha today, especially in our high-pressure, always-on world. Benefit 2. Sleep quality. Poor sleep affects nearly everyone at some point. Ashwagandha has shown promise here too. Research suggests it may improve sleep onset, meaning people fall asleep faster. It may also improve overall sleep quality and reduce nighttime restlessness. This makes sense when you consider its calming effect on the nervous system. A calmer mind often leads to a calmer night. Some people even call it nature's gentle sleep aid, though it's not a sedative in the way sleeping pills are. Benefit 3. Energy, strength, and athletic performance. Ashwagandha isn't just about relaxation. It's also linked to physical performance. Studies involving athletes and regular exercisers have shown improvements in muscle strength and muscle mass when combined with resistance training. Some research also points to better endurance and faster recovery after exercise. This dual role, calming the mind while supporting the body, is part of what makes ashwagandha unique among herbal supplements. Benefit 4. Hormonal balance. Hormonal health is another area of interest. In men, some studies suggest ashwagandha may support healthy testosterone levels and reproductive health. In women, early research explores its potential role in supporting hormonal balance, particularly related to stress-driven hormonal disruption. It's worth noting that hormone-related research is still developing, and results can vary from person to person. Benefit 5. Cognitive function and focus. Our brains take a beating from daily stress, and ashwagandha may offer support here as well. Some studies suggest it may enhance memory, attention, and information processing speed. Its antioxidant properties are thought to help protect brain cells from oxidative stress. While more research is needed, especially in larger human trials, the early findings are promising for those looking to support long-term brain health. Benefit 6. Immune support. A resilient body needs a strong immune system, and ashwagandha has traditionally been used to support immunity. It contains compounds that may help regulate immune cell activity. In Ayurvedic tradition, it's often recommended during times of seasonal change or general fatigue, precisely when the immune system needs the most support. How it's traditionally used. So how do people actually take ashwagandha? The most common form today is a standardized root extract in capsule form. Powdered root can also be mixed into warm milk or water, following traditional Ayurvedic practice. Some people prefer it in tea form, combined with other calming herbs. Regardless of the form, consistency matters more than the format. Most studies showing benefits use the herb daily over several weeks. Important precautions. Before you consider adding ashwagandha to your routine, a few precautions are worth knowing. It's not recommended during pregnancy. People with autoimmune conditions, thyroid disorders, or those on certain medications should speak with a doctor first. As with any supplement, quality matters. Choosing a reputable third-party tested product reduces the risk of contamination or inaccurate dosing. This isn't medical advice, it's simply a reminder that natural doesn't always mean risk-free. Why it matters. So why does this ancient root matter today? We live in a world of chronic stress, disrupted sleep, and mental fatigue. Ashwagandha represents a bridge between ancient wisdom and modern science, a plant that has survived thousands of years of use precisely because people noticed it worked. As research continues to grow, ashwagandha stands out as one of the most well-studied adaptogens available, backed by both tradition and a growing body of clinical evidence. That's the story of ashwagandha, what it is, which parts of the plant are used, and why millions of people around the world trust it as part of their daily wellness routine. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing for more deep dives into natural health and traditional remedies. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.